Hello everyone, this is Pritika Patel working as an assistant professor in Computer Engineering Department of Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. Today in this session we are going to discuss about application of stack and expression representation, which is the topic of subject data structure of second year third semester. Now first of all, application of stack. Application of stack means whenever we are use stack, by using stack whatever the application we can done, that is called use of application. Here are some applications are there. First one is evaluation of expression. To evaluate any expression we are using stack. So by using stack we can evaluate expression like infix, prefix and postfix. The next application is expression conversion. To convert expression into one form to another, for this purpose we are using stack, like infix to postfix or infix to prefix. This type of conversion are done by using stack. Then next is recursion. Recursion is nothing but the function called itself. For this procedure, function call procedure, we are using stack, and by using stack this recursive procedure is done successfully. Then next is Tower of Hanoi. Tower of Hanoi is again a part of recursion. So for there again for recursive procedure stack is used. Then next is Microsoft Word undo and redo. For undo and redo procedure we are using stack, and by using stack this procedure is done well. Now expression representation. There are three methods to represent expression. First one is infix expression. Infix expression is nothing but the expression in which operators are placed between operand. Here A is operand, B is operand, and operator plus is placed in between two operand. So it is called infix expression. Then next is postfix expression. In postfix operation, operators are placed after operand. So here A and B are operand and plus is operator. So it is called postfix expression. Right? Then next is prefix expression. In prefix of expression, operators are placed before operand. So plus is operator and AB is operand. So before operand, operator is placed over here. So it is called prefix expression. So here are three methods for expression representation. First one is infix, second one is postfix, and third one is prefix. It is based on name. Infix, operator is placed in between two operand. Postfix, after operand, operator is placed. Prefix, first operator is occur and then operand are occur. So these are the representation of expression. Now next is evaluation of infix expression. Now how to evaluate infix expression. In infix expression, if we want to evaluate it, we have to go from left to right. So we are going to scan our expression from left to right, but operator precedence must be needed. So to evaluate infix expression, we have to take care that our expression is scanned from left to right and operator precedence must be taken in priority. So here one expression is given, that is A plus B into C plus D into E. Now first we have to check that we have to evaluate expression from left to right, but whatever the condition is operator precedence must be needed. So plus have lower priority than multiplication. So here multiplication and division have highest priority, then plus and minus, right? So first we have to evaluate B into C, right? Because multiplication have a higher priority. Then next is again multiplication are there, so this D into E is done first. Then next is A plus B into C, and then A plus B into C plus D into E. So this way this infix expression is evaluated. So to evaluate this expression first B and C is multiplied, then D and E multiplied, then add A into 1, and in last 3 and 2 get added, and lastly we get the result. Now next is evaluation of prefix expression. In prefix expression, whatever the conditions are given, to understand this concept, let us consider first an example: plus 5 into 3, 2. This is the example to understand the prefix expression. Now find the operator from right to left. So to evaluate prefix expression, first of all we have to scan our expression from right to left. So from here we have to start scanning of our expression and perform the operation, right? So from right to left we are going to check, then first is 2, then 3, then operator is fine, right? So whenever the operator is fine, right, then we have to perform this operation based on operator. So first operator is multiplication, so 3 into 2 are multiplied and expression become plus 5, and 3 into 2 become 6. So now our expression become this. Now again check our expression from right to left. So 6, then 5, then plus. Whenever we get operator, we have to stop and perform the operation based on operator. Now first operator is plus, so 5 and 6 added, so expression become 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. So this is the evaluation of prefix expression. So for prefix expression, what is the condition? We have to mark up that our expression is scanned from right to left, and whatever the operator is found, based on this operator we have to perform the operation, right? Then next one is evaluation of postfix expression. To understand this concept, let us consider an example: 5, 3, 2 into plus. This is the example to understand the concept of postfix expression. Now find out first operator from left to right. So first of all what we have to do? We have to scan our expression from left to right. So start from here and go to right side and perform the operation, right? So now start from here and go to left to right. So first is 5, then 3, then 2. Then we get operator. Now again, whenever you get an operator, you have to stop and perform the operation on before two operand. So first operator is multiplication. So 3 into 2 are multiplied. So our expression become 5 as it is. Then 3 into 2 6, an operator plus. Now again check our expression from left to right, right? So left to right, first is 5 is there, then 6, and then we get plus operator. So again operator are found. Whenever we found an operator, we have to perform the operation based on operator. So plus we have find, so 5 and 6 are added. So our expression became 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. So this is the evaluation of postfix expression. So for postfix expression, what we have to keep in our mind, the rules for postfix expression evaluation is our expression is scanned from left to right, and whenever we get an operator, based on this operator we have to perform the operation. Thank you.